Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week we made massive profit from the gold trading. You can join with my Telegram, link is below, and join with and get the VIP access and made good profit. This is the 4 hour chart. This is the triangle pattern. Price was ranging last week with the technically. This is the 4 hour chart. So next week two scenarios will be happen to break to the upside, retest and continuing. That is the one scenario, and the next is the break to the triangle pattern downside and continue to the downside. So upside breakout, the target is the 2700. So downside breakout target is the 2600. So technically that is the will happen two scenarios with the next week with the technical analysis for our chart. So you should wait for the breakout this triangle pattern. Is still price ranging in this triangle pattern, so you should wait. So last week Friday NFP data was released. That's the positive NFP data. 254k to increase. Non-farm payroll data, that's the unemployment rate, dropped to the 4.2%. So positive labor market data was released last Friday. That is a help to dollar demand, and gold pushed to the downside last Friday, and again gold pushed to the upside. That is the reason for the geopolitical tension. So if you are trading gold, that's the main important things is what is the now going on. Israel Iran war is the going on, and the US is the major part of this war. Is the gold is the safe haven asset. That the FX Street website mentioned this gold price trumps and stone US NFP data, and the geopolitical tension is the key. That is the FX Street website mentioning the gold is the safe haven asset. If the market uncertainty, gold demand, so push to the upside gold with this the war tension is will be continuing next week. That will help to gold push to the upside. So target 2700. So if you are trading gold, gold is a safe haven asset. You should touch with the what is the going on war situation next week also. That's the main reason you should to touch with the if you are trading gold. So that's the gold is the safe haven asset. That is the I am mentioning. So Fed Watch Tool website is the another interesting things is if you are trading gold. So November FOMC meeting price forecast is there. That's the 93% forecast to another 50 bps, another 0.5% rate cut in November FOMC meeting. So that is price into the market. That will help to the gold push to the upside also. So Fed's CPI data report is the important report next week. CPI yearly report next week, Thursday 10th October will release the 2.5% is the current inflation report, and Fed American Central Bank forecast to drop to the CPI yearly report to 2.3%, and the monthly report also drop forecast. The actual report will be dropped to the 2.3 or below. That will help to dollar sell off and go support to the gold push to the upside. That the important report is this inflation report next week, economic data. So that's the Fed Watch Tool website shows that that's the another 0.5% rate cut forecast price in. That will help to gold push to the upside to 2700 could be the target. So that is the inflation report not dropped to the 2.3%. So actual one is the 2.4 2.5, like that's the dollar demand, and gold drop to the downside. So next week important report is the inflation yearly report USA. You should touch with this economic data regarding US dollar if we are trading gold. So So that's the CPI yearly report. That's the Fed forecast to drop to 2.3%. So Fed inflation target is the goal is the 2%. So now currently inflation report is the 2.5%. So 2.3 is the target one. So 2% is the inflation goal is the American Central Bank 2%. This report is the very important report next week. You should touch with the what is the actual data. So that can be helped to break this triangle next week upside or downside with the technically you should combine the economic data what is the going on regarding US dollar. So I am going to the 1 hour chart for your clear picture what is the technically approach goal can be what are the zones for your trading. So this is the next week sell zone. This sell zone is the also invalid price drop to the downside last Friday. That's the with the NFP data report positive and again push to the upside goal. So technically 1 hour chart, this is the zone. This sell zone is the important zone for your trade. So this sell zone, this is the 2655.60 zone is the important zone. So this sell zone if break out to the upside, so this is upper side sell zone is the also invalid and this is the important zone with the technically. So price breakout to the sell zone and push to the upside, that can be target 2680 level. That's the more reasons to go push to the upside now. So sell zone is 2680 is the target, but this sell zone not invalid and the inflation report not drop to the downside. So that is help to go push to the upside. This is the upside target 2680 is the upside target. So not valid this sell zone. So the push to the upside, this sell zone also is invalid. This I am telling, this is the technically. So inflation report not drop to the downside to 2.3%. That is help to dollar demand. With the geopolitical risks is not impact to gold. That is the goal. Help to gold drop to the downside. So downside target is the 2630.20 is the downside target. So geopolitical tension is the key and the inflation report is the key next week if you are trading gold. So gold is the very safe haven asset and the volatile pair. So if you are trading gold, risk money management is the key. You can join with my Telegram link Telegram group for get accurate trading. So thank you very much.